Hello, I think this is the start of a new vlog. I just wanted to tell you something because I've done something quite exciting. It's still like in progress, it's nothing yet, but anyway, I thought I'd just tell you. I've sent an email to a recording studio here in Oxford because I wrote a song a couple months ago and I was for high school and I was like, I've never really recorded that and I missed singing, so I was like, maybe I could go into a recording studio and record something. Maybe not even that song, maybe just a cover. Because that's something I would find really cool. So I've sent an email to a recording studio and I got an email back and it's not that expensive. So I think I might do that and that makes me really excited.
Hi.
Oh wow, I look really pretty today. It's Friday, which is crazy. We just went to the supermarket to buy chocolate. Okay, bye. Hello! We're on our way to South Park because there's some kind of thing with Bonfire night tonight. I don't even know what it is. There's fireworks and fire, and we might go inside. We might just stand outside and watch fireworks. I don't know. Either way, it's gonna be exciting, probably.
The fireworks still haven't started yet and it's half an hour late. Anyway.
Oh no! There are a lot of people. Good morning. We're in a train. We had the plan for today to go to a random city without a plan. Just go to the station, figure something out and jump in a train. So that's basically what we did. And now we're on our way to Winchester, which is something I've never heard of before. But I think it's gonna be good. Let's go. Okay, so this city seems extremely spectacular. There's nothing here and we're reading all the signs. So we're basically trying on Christmas sweaters and buying Christmas socks because we're way too excited for Christmas. But it's the beginning of November, so not really allowed. Hey! We're watching Catching Fire.
Oh my god, no.
And there are gorillas.
I don't. Oh my god. I'm never watching this movie again. See, right?
I want to put this pound in.
You're too late.
No, I wanted to pay.
No. No.
We're just having adventures in the laundry room. My makeup has come off because I was in the shower, so I look even crappier. And I'm wearing this sweater. Yes, you can.
Yes? Yeah, press some button.
I'm wearing gorgeous Christmas socks, and it's the 11th of November, so it's not even close to Christmas yet. I'm also making some tea. I have to write 2 essays. I need to edit a video. So yeah, very interesting. And it's gonna be dark in 30 minutes because it's 4 o'clock, so yeah. We just had a really funny argument in class. Was a big discussion about if it's fair that YouTubers earn money by vlogging. It was really funny. Anyway. Now we're going to the recording studio and I'm kind of nervous, but I'm also kind of excited, so yeah. You'll see what happens. Missing you and missing you so By the way.
It just has to happen.
Really?
From the ice inside your soul.
We were just at the studio thing and I didn't film as much. I could have filmed a lot, but I was like singing. I just heard fireworks too. But it was so good and I loved it, and they were so nice, and now I'm really happy. So yeah. It's raining pretty badly right now. Can you hear that? I don't even know why I'm filming this. It's the 13th of November today, which means it's our 2-month anniversary in Oxford. We've been here 2 months! Yay! It's so crazy! Anyway, to celebrate, we thought it would only be... How do you say that?
Appropriate
to have a celebratory dinner at Jamie's. And we're so excited!
It's so good!
And it's so cold, and there are stars. And it's like 6 o'clock and it's been dark for 1.5 hours. I don't like it. Yes, it has.
No, 1 hour. Not 1.5.
It gets dark at 4:30.
Yeah,
no,
but
then
it
it starts to get dark. It's not dark before.
Then it's like dusk. It's not dark.
Okay, but it was dark before class ended.
No.
Yeah, it was, because when we walked out, I was like,
ended.
whoa, it's pitch black outside.
Yeah, because well, I'm right around when it ended.
So it's not 1.5.
Okay,
No,
I
like
don't
1 hour.
agree. It's been dark for a really long time. Let's just agree on that. And my hand's freezing off. Okay, just look at how amazing that looks. Amazing chocolate cake and salted caramel iced tea. Woo! It's raining and my umbrella's doing more weird stuff. And we're on our way to like the Museum of National History, I think. It's been the laziest Sunday in the world. I'm not kidding. I barely left the room just for like breakfast and dinner. And I've been watching shows and stuff like that and editing, and now I'm watching the Michelogs vlog, which I haven't watched in so long, and it's so amazing. If you don't know what it is, it's Hannah Megs and Steph Michelog, I think, and they have a kid who's like 1 year old, and it's so adorable, and their vlogs are so nice and perfect for a Sunday mood. So yeah, if you want something to watch, go watch that. And on that note, I'm gonna end this vlog. It's been a 2 weeks vlog because I haven't filmed a lot. I'm gonna film more. That's my like goal for the next week. Film more. And yeah, I think that's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!